안녕하세요. 오늘도 바니와 함께 공부 열심히 하시길 바랍니다.
오늘은 남녀노소 구분 없이 영어를 배우고자 하는 분들에게 기본적인 문법을 배워볼 거예요. 같이 따라 읽으면서 중간에 복습하는 시간까지 꼭 해보세요. 그럼 화이팅! 안녕하세요.
Hello, hi. Hello, hi. Hello, hi.
잘 지내시나요?
How are you? How are you? How are you?
잘 지내요. 고마워요. 당신은요?
I am fine, good, thank you. And you? I am fine, good, thank you. And you? I am fine, good, thank you. And you?
만나서 반가워요.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
당신의 이름은 무엇입니까?
What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
나의 이름은 입니다.
My name is. My name is. My name is.
어디에서 오셨어요?
Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from?
저는 한국에서 왔습니다.
I am from South Korea. I am from South Korea. I am from South Korea.
당신은 몇 살입니까?
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
저는 30살입니다.
I am 30 years old. I am 30 years old. I am 30 years old.
직업이 무엇입니까?
What's your job? What's your job? What's your job?
나는 의사입니다.
I am a doctor. I am a doctor. I am a doctor.
영어를 하실 줄 아십니까?
Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Can you speak English?
아니요, 못해요.
No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't.
조금 더 천천히 말씀해 주시겠어요?
Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please?
다시 한번 말씀해 주시겠어요?
Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please?
미안해요. 이해가 안 돼요.
Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand.
실례합니다.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
감사합니다.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
물 한 잔 주시겠어요?
May I have a glass of water, please? May I have a glass of water, please? May I have a glass of water, please?
비용이 얼마나 드나요?
How much does it cost? How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
을 주문하고 싶습니다.
I would like to order. I would like to order. I would like to order.
추천 좀 해주시겠어요?
Can you recommend something? Can you recommend something? Can you recommend something?
화장실이 어디죠?
Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom?
몇 시입니까?
What time is it? What time is it? What time is it?
지금은 10시입니다.
It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock.
그것의 철자가 어떻게 되나요?
How do you spell that? How do you spell that? How do you spell that?
제가 좋아하는 색깔은 분홍색입니다.
My favorite color is pink. My favorite color is pink. My favorite color is pink.
제가 좋아하는 음식은 불고기입니다.
My favorite food is bulgogi. My favorite food is bulgogi. My favorite food is bulgogi.
제가 좋아하는 동물은 토끼입니다.
My favorite animal is rabbit. My favorite animal is rabbit. My favorite animal is rabbit.
나는 음악 듣는 것을 좋아한다.
I like to listen to music. I like to listen to music. I like to listen to music.
나는 영화 보는 것을 좋아한다.
I like to watch movies. I like to watch movies. I like to watch movies.
저는 책 읽는 것을 좋아합니다.
I like to read books. I like to read books. I like to read books.
나는 운동하는 것을 좋아한다.
I like to play sports. I like to play sports. I like to play sports.
나는 여행을 좋아한다.
I like to travel. I like to travel. I like to travel.
나는 영어를 배우고 있다.
I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English.
나는 내 영어 실력을 향상시키고 싶다.
I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English.
도와주셔서 고맙습니다.
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
너랑 얘기해서 즐거웠어.
It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you.
오늘도 고생하셨습니다. 유익하셨다면 좋아요, 구독 꾹 눌러주세요. 감사합니다.